In and out of the saddle, Ranch Marketing Associates possesses an unparalleled understanding of the character of the land and the American West, providing clients with an unequaled representation in every ranch transaction. Bringing buyers and sellers of farm and ranch real estate together in a dynamic global market isn't just our profession, it's our passion.
It's our lifestyle too, and we're pleased that we've represented some buyers that truly see the value of what the great American West has to offer. And we're proud to be responsible for passing it down to future landowners that hold it dear just like we do.
Ranch Marketing Associates specializes in representing high-end lifestyle, recreational, and agricultural ranches. Our brokers are well-versed in the intricacies of ranch real estate, including land assembly, livestock and agricultural production, water and mineral rights, wildlife habitat, and natural resource management. We develop and implement comprehensive marketing strategies that target capable, high-net-worth prospects and utilize the most advanced tools and techniques available to ensure that our listings are searchable on the World Wide Web. By pairing today's technology with traditional marketing techniques, we bring properties to the market quickly. Rural land has always been a good hedge against inflation.
Anything else, it's a tangible asset and it's not going anywhere. It's an investment that you can use and you can enjoy it.
It is our pleasure to help individuals, investors, and families sell or purchase a tangible legacy property that can be enjoyed while yielding a positive return on investment. We work hard to provide a quality experience and develop lasting relationships while bringing buyers and sellers together. We don't just sell the Western lifestyle, we live it. We are Ranch Marketing Associates. The West is our heritage. Make it yours.